Welcome, here I've got HUAWEI Enjoy 20 SE, and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera sound at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let me take a picture. Now we can hear the sound. To turn it off, let's go to the right corner to this button. When we pick it, we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's slide a little bit to the general settings, and here we have mute option, so by using this button we can turn off the camera sounds or turn them on again as we need. Now let me keep this turned off. Let's go back to the camera, and when we take a picture now we can't hear the sound. And of course when we want to turn it on again, we have to tap to the right corner and to this button, so now we can hear it. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.